Greetings from our channel. This video will show you how to design your own rustic Mediterranean farmhouse garden, which is the ideal fusion of practical design and organic beauty. This design creates a classic, welcoming atmosphere that is perfect for relaxing after a long day or just improving your outside area. Let's face it, creating a garden that perfectly captures the rustic charm of Mediterranean farmhouse design can feel daunting. You might wonder, what plants work best for this style? How do I create a layout that's both practical and visually appealing? And what features truly bring out that warm, inviting atmosphere? Many people find it difficult to strike a balance between low-maintenance usefulness and aesthetic attractiveness, particularly when dealing with constrained space or a harsh climate. Don't worry though, you may easily bring the essence of the Mediterranean into your home if you follow the correct instructions. Include drought-tolerant plants such as thyme, lavender, rosemary, and olive trees. In addition to flourishing in hot, arid areas, these also smell distinctively of the Mediterranean. Consider simplicity and organic flow. Use stone or gravel walkways to create distinct areas and set aside sections for flowers, seating, and herbs. In summary, the key to creating a rustic Mediterranean farmhouse garden is fusing colorful plants, natural materials, and straightforward, practical design. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and design ideas. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below about which feature of a Mediterranean garden you're most excited to try.